First, log into the Malwarebytes Cloud console using the email address that you used when you requested your trial. Then enter the password that you created in your previous step. And if you'd like to make it easier for yourself in the future, go ahead and click the Remember My Email Address checkbox, and then click the Login button. Once you're into the console, on the left-hand menu, click Endpoints, and then select the Add button. This shows you a list of all the different endpoint installers for the different operating systems and versions and 32-bit versus 64-bit. Choose the one that you want to put onto your particular machine and save it to an area that you'll be able to reference it later. Now we find ourselves on the machine that you want to install Malwarebytes onto. We go to the USB thumb drive that we used, we find the file that you downloaded from the console, and we double-click on that to execute it. We click the Install button. With the user account control, we select Yes, and now the installation process is beginning. You're greeted with a wizard, so click the Next button. Go ahead and accept the End User License Agreement by selecting the checkbox and clicking Next. If you don't have an internet proxy configuration, you most likely can just click the Next button and move forwards, and this will now begin the installation process. That's it, you've completed it. Click Finish. You can close out. Now when you come back to the main dashboard of the Cloud Console and click on the Endpoints menu, you'll see that the machine that you just added Malwarebytes to has appeared in your list of endpoints. This shows the installation process for a single endpoint, but you could clearly do this for multiple endpoints as well.